Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mini. So first of all,
assisted all public contracts with.
turn it on. Then you've got menu here, the menu button. Click on menu and you've got telephone. So telephone, in order to select it, if you wanted to select any of these, you'd press the button underneath it. So we'll just go back, menu, we want telephone there, so click that button. It says it's searching for paired devices, but you've got BT over here. So what we actually do is click BT, and then you've got delete, search, help, BT off. If you're having problems with not being able to pair your mobile, just do that and make sure BT off is not was selected like so. Switch off Bluetooth, yes and no. So I'm going no. To put it back on, of course, you just have to click it again. So we want to delete a Bluetooth device, so we'll click delete, and it's just, there's only my phone connected to it at the moment. It's saying delete Barry's iPhone, yes or no. We click yes there. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mini. First thing we have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is on like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom, over to the audio system, and we click menu. Now you see that there's a box around telephone at the moment, but it's not tied to be there. Could be around any of the others. So you turn the rotary control on the right, highlight telephone, and you can either click the button or click the button here to select. And now we want to search. So under search, we click the button under search, and it's already come up, MINI 72606. So I select that there. And here, external device ready, help, reject or add. We want to add, so we click the button under add. And then I need to put a code in. I need to put 4 numbers in, and each of these little minuses correspond to the number above them. So I'm going to put 000 in for ease, and then you've got delete if you made a mistake, or OK. 000, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. We'll just wait for it. There you go, it's paired on the audio system and it's paired on my phone too. It's a good system, quite easy to use. Thanks for watching.